Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have a brand new Audi A1 Sportback. This is the S-Line competition trim line with the 2-litre TFSI engine and the S-Tronic gearbox. The vehicle is finished in Python yellow and it features the contrasting black roof, features the 17-inch alloy wheels, and those feature the red brake calipers. This vehicle features the LED headlights and LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, the light and rain sensors. This vehicle also features sport suspension and Audi pre-sense to the front. This vehicle features the 3-spoke multifunction full leather steering wheel with the gear shift paddles, the digital display, features the MMI display, air conditioning, the LED interior lighting pack, and those seats are finished in a leather and cloth mix. This vehicle also features rear parking sensors. For more information, please call 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.